Alright, what's poppin' YouTube? So today I come to you guys with this tutorial, and today is going to be how to take out the trash. Alright, so taking out the trash just starts with 3 easy steps, alright? I like to call these 3 steps the 3 P's to perfection. It starts with 1, preparation. 2, practice. And 3, perform. If you follow these 3 steps, you can be taking out your trash in no time. I should also say that before attempting this task, you should make sure that you have a full trash can that is ready to be taken out. You also need to make sure that you have functioning legs and arms. Last but not least, you want to make sure you have the right mindset. Also guys, arguably the most crucial element to this is you're gonna need a blanket. It needs to be white, just like this one here. I need to drape it over your shoulders here. It cannot be any other color. This will not work with any other color. It will not work around your waist or anywhere else, but it needs to be white and draped over your shoulders. All right, let's get into it. All right guys, so right here, we're getting into the preparation phase right now. And what we're doing is preparing ourselves mentally. So here I'm clearing this table of all objects, just preparing myself so that I can be calm and prepared. I can ready myself. I personally like myself to be elevated a bit, which as you can see is why I'm clearing this table. And I also like to let a lot of sunlight in so I can connect with my nature chakra and get into sage mode right here. But ultimately guys, all you really need is just a quiet place where you can unwind and relax, and as it says, prepare yourself. Alright guys, and now that we're all relaxed and prepared up, we're just gonna warm up ourselves, get us ready for the practice phase. Get some jumping jacks. Ooh, lean back, lean in, get some squats in there too. I'm gonna be doing a lot of squats also, you'll see in a minute. And just throw the blanket on, throw in the hood, but first, a friendly reminder. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into the practice phase. What we want to do is you want to practice our squats right here. Squats should be basic. You should know how to do squats. We also want to start to take our biceps and just brace them right here. We want to tense them in and practice a lifting motion such as this, alright? Here's our trash can. Just want to take the trash can and apply the same thing to it, alright? That's it, alright? Remember to nail this 100 times. I'm a professional, I made it look easy right here, but gotta nail this solid amount of times before you can ready to move on. All right guys, so now we're just gonna practice running the route, okay? So here, we're gonna prep, pick up, and move. Alright guys, so now it's time to perform. All right, all of our training is led up to this. Our preparation, our practice. All right, here we go. Ready? Squat. Oh wait. Before I move on with this, guys, I'd like to mention, do not try this at home. Try this at someone else's home, because there's a lot that can go wrong here, all right? Or lots of room for here, all right? So here, we're gonna go, all right, ready? Squat, brace. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my God, we're going. And that's it.